Hey there, future US residents. Welcome to EB5 Visa Guide, your ultimate destination for unlocking the EB5 visa process and making your US green card dream a reality. Whether you're a first-time investor or already on your journey, we are here to guide you step by step. Let's jump right into today's video and get you one step closer to living your American dream. Step 1. Meet the investment requirement. To begin, you need to meet the financial requirement of investing $1.05 million in a US business or $800,000 if your investment is in a targeted employment area, T. Step 2. Choose your investment type. Next, decide whether you're making a direct investment, where you're actively involved in the business, or through a regional center, which manages large projects like real estate developments. Step 3. File Form I-526. After investing, you'll file Form I-526, the immigrant petition by alien investor, which demonstrates that your investment meets the program's requirements, including job creation. Step 4. Wait for USCIS approval. Once your petition is reviewed and approved by USCIS, you and your family will receive conditional permanent residency for 2 years. Step 5. Case transfer to NVC. After USCIS approval, your case is transferred to the National Visa Center, NVC. They will review your documents, and you'll be ready to move forward. Step 6. Pay fees and submit DS-260 form. Once with the NVC, you'll pay the necessary fees, including the immigrant visa application fee and the affidavit of support fee. After that, you'll complete and submit the DS-260 form, the immigrant visa application. Step 7. Submit documents to NVC via email. Once you've submitted your DS-260 form, you'll need to gather the required supporting documents, such as your passport, birth certificate, investment proof, and financial forms. You'll then email these documents to the NVC for review. Step 8. NVC review and interview preparation. After the NVC reviews your documents, they will send you a letter confirming that your case is ready for scheduling. This letter will include important details, like your case number and the next steps. Step 9. Wait for interview scheduling. NVC will notify you once your interview has been scheduled at the US Embassy or Consulate. This may take several weeks, depending on the embassy's availability. You will receive specific details about the date, time, and location of the interview. Step 10. Biometrics appointment. The NVC or the embassy may require you to attend a biometrics appointment before the interview. You will receive instructions on where and when to attend, during which your fingerprints, photo, and signature will be collected for security and background checks. Step 11. Medical examination. Complete a medical exam with an approved physician before the interview. Results are sent directly to the embassy. Step 12. Prepare for the interview. Gather original documents, passport, medical results, civil and financial documents. Step 13. Attend the consular interview. On the scheduled date, attend the visa interview at the US Embassy or Consulate. During the interview, the consular officer will review your case, ask questions about your investment and eligibility, and verify your documents. Be prepared to answer questions related to your EB5 investment, the source of funds, and your plans in the US. Step 14. Visa decision. If the consular officer is satisfied with your case and there are no additional issues, your EB5 visa will be approved. Note: attend the interview with your documents. If additional information is needed, you may receive a 221G form. 221G is not a rejection, but a request for further processing or documentation. The 221G process can take anywhere from 7 to 90 days, depending on the required documents or processing. Step 15. Visa issuance. If your visa is approved, the EB5 immigrant visa will be issued in your passport. The visa will allow you to enter the US as a conditional permanent resident. Step 16. Once you receive your EB5 visa, you can enter the US as a conditional permanent resident. At the port of entry, US Immigration will process your entry, and you will receive your conditional green card valid for 2 years.